Huawei could present not just one but 7 new Kirin processors. A Weibo user and leaker named Fixed Focus has been in charge of creating this report about these 7 new processors. Currently, the processors are in a research and development stage, so at launch it doesn't look like it will be too soon. But apparently this list integrates 2 processors for laptops, 2 processors for the Nova series and 1 processor for the P series, plus 2 processors for the Mate series. So it seems that Huawei has overcome all its ghosts and has finally managed to launch its Kirin processors back, although it is expected that the performance will not be at the same level of what we find in flagship processors from other manufacturers, as Huawei still has some restrictions that prevent it from having the latest technologies. But it is very remarkable that despite these restrictions, they have managed to relaunch their processors. So, it will be enough to wait to put them to the test and give you our feelings and impressions of their power.